And teacher, we are described to the manufacture process of aluminum can. The first process in the manufacture of aluminum can is the roller. The roller is starting material is a strip of thin colored strip of aluminum, which is oversized in the roller from with a width of 1.2 meters and length of between 4,000 and 8,000 meters. The mechanical casting measures and especially the thickness of this film and this quality surface are established between the manufacture of metal, steel, or aluminum, and can manufacture based on strict technical specifications. The next process of the manufacture of aluminum can is the dyeing and tipping. The material called is a passage from a press. By the duplicator, obtain a vertical strip metal disc and take the form of plates of cylindrical glass. And each strong the press produces the glasses, which derived from this form is removed by suction and compressed by recycling. The next process of manufacture is forming. Forming arises from the forming cover, which means a push that pushes from the sewing ring straight in material until metal in one piece. With this step, the can reach a final diameter and from the casting the mold bottom, of which is the final measure except the final edge and the driving process carried by sealing with the edge. This is because the defective color and subtlety of metal by weight are not the form exactly the same in any direction.
Cooler. So the next step will be the trimmer, which gives the correct height according to specification, eliminate the corrugation or air transportation. The car are transported to the washer in a white belt and can be toward the washing machine. The car or transport in group of 1,000 cars washing. This operation is performed in a washing machine cup of washing up to 5,000 gallons per minute. Car are dripped in a hot air oven.
Painting and decorator. Printing is done a manner much like magazine is printed via a rotary machine. The difference is the printing surface is cylindrical rather than planar. Once decorated, cans are set back to a baking oven outside to dry the links, but the coating process as the printing employ online water-soluble coating. Painting internal, then applying a coating to protect the interior of the can and the product. Each thing is varnished to its edge layer in the ring oven. Between these two layers of inner coating is applied of a layer of varnish, protecting the base of the can B and the UV grid. This outer coating is used to protect the most vulnerable part of the can. Neck molding. The top of the can has a diameter smaller than the body, for it is precisely a new operation conformation called necking. The canister, when decorated, passes into another, which through 8 stages from the neck through series construction, which gradually reduces the diameter of the neck, the extent specific. The flesh is already flared the A. This is necessary from the from to feed the lead fill can again.
Well, my name is Carlos Godoy and I speak about the next step in this process, which is computer inspection. In this process, dimensional control is very important because it ensures that the cans can be handled by all machines through which it passes. Remember that process is 100% automated. Each din is called by a support shaft and immediately moved in actual direction until it has reached the open side of the flange seal. Now the next step is move this material, and now it's transport. Transport unit meets the cans in layer of the 23 to package unit nearly 3 meters height. Palleting the process starts when picking up empty pallets. Can layers are inserted to the pallet unit and the number of layers. And the last step in this is unify the both process is packing. Packing can already complete past palleting areas when they are packed and labeled in accordance with customer specifications. To whom they are intended, like soda or beer maker. This is done in layer pallets in which the rows of cans are separated by spaces, layer pads, play cardboard or plastics. Using a barcode system, pallets are labeled to ensure traceability of our product, and this is the last step in this process.
The next process is the B, making of the covers. The top of the cans are manufactured and delivered to the packer separately. It is hot to close when filled cans. This part of a band, which is subsequently punched disc from the stamping. The cover with its final form is ready to enter off the ring. The ring will also manufacture the stamping from a narrow band in which to remain until thin compression into lead. Completing the operation, the lead is the juncture of the ring via processes similar to reverting. In this step, also marks often this area.